Lovely learners, welcome back to Fante Kasisua on Apodels Multimedia. This Fante word, p3n, pen, has many usage, and that makes it a homograph. In today's lesson, we will get to know the many use or meanings to this word. I'm p3n. I'll be with you shortly after this. Akwaba, welcome. This lesson will pay attention to 4 meanings or usage to this word, pen, p3n. Let's jump right into the lesson. Usage number 1 of this word. Let's look at the pronunciation first. Is pen, pen. And as you see in your shorts, the English meaning of this is ever, ever. Now, to help you with this, I have a sentence for you. Ana edi fufu pen. Ana edi fufu pen. So that is what is translated in English for you in your shorts. Have you ever eaten fufu? Meaning of the word number 2 or usage. You have it in your shorts. Pen. Pen. Now, what you see in English is pen. The object that is used to write in ink, pen. This English word is borrowed into Fante. The middle alphabet, the E, is changed to in Fante. So we call it pen. Now a sentence with this usage. Pen number. Pen number. And in English we say the pen is not flowing. So it's a very short way of saying that in Fante. Pen number. Meaning number 2 or usage number 2, we have this pen. Pen. The meaning of this word is synonym. Synonym. Let's look at how this will be used in a sentence. Eben kasifua na onye kasifua ko bo pen. I come again. Eben kasifua na onye kasifua ko bo pen. What word is the synonym for the word go? Eben kasifua na onye kasifua ko bo pen. So the pronunciation of this one is pen. Pen. And this in English it means a number of times. A number of times. I would have written time or times, but it will not be so clear to you. So it's a number of time, okay? Of course, time in Fante is mbir, mbir. So we are talking about a number of time taking an action. Now let's have the sentence. Mpenahin na ako nkran. Mpenahin na ako nkran. How many times have you been to Accra? Mpenahin na ako nkran. Like we said, we were dealing with homographs. These words would have the same spelling, but with different meanings. But I would love to add this last one. It's a bit different. It's not the same with those words that we have mentioned. The only difference with this is that it has a double N at the end. Let's take a look at that. So this word is pen. And in English we say attentively. Attentively. Now let's have this sentence. Yawaswa pen tida Americano. Yawaswa pen tida Americano. Pay close attention to what I am saying. Okay, lovely learners, thank you for coming to the channel. I believe you have learned a lot here in today's video. Please, if this is so with you, give us a thumbs up, like the video, share the video. Let others know about the Fante learning going on here on Apodels Multimedia. Until we meet again, the name is Mr. p3n or Chechrinyi p3n. Yes, see you once again here on the channel. Bye-bye.